If your 2007 Kia Sportage refuses to turn over, follow this playbook to find the culprit before calling a tow truck. Roughly 80% of no-start issues in this model year trace back to simple electrical failures rather than engine damage. Let us break down the diagnostic process step by step. Always start with the basics like battery connections and ensuring the shifter is fully engaged in park. Beyond the battery, watch for a failing starter motor or a blown relay, which are common on these older Sportages. If the engine cranks but won't catch, focus your search on fuel delivery or the crankshaft position sensor. Swapping a relay is an easy win, but leave complex ECU or wiring harness issues to the professionals. Here is the typical cost breakdown for the most frequent repairs needed to get this vehicle moving again. If simple checks fail, use an OBD-I scanner to read stored codes and a multimeter to test for voltage drops. Before you dive in, ensure you have your safety glasses and jack stands ready for a secure working environment. Remember, the simplest solution is usually the right one, so verify your battery voltage before replacing expensive engine components. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment with your specific error code and subscribe for more Kia repair guides.